In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds from your Temu account to your PayPal account. Before we jump into the steps, let's briefly discuss why you might want to do this. Transferring funds to PayPal can be incredibly convenient for managing your money and making online transactions easier. PayPal is widely used around the world, so having your funds accessible through it can offer you more flexibility. First things first, we need to establish whether Temu supports transferring funds to PayPal. This is an important aspect because if the feature isn't supported, we'll need to explore alternative options. Navigate to the support section or FAQs on the Temu app or website to find any official information on this. If you're unable to find any clear answers there, reaching out to customer support might be a good next step. They can provide you with up-to-date information and confirm if the feature is available in your region. Assuming the functionality is supported, let's move on to linking your PayPal account to your Temu settings. Start by logging into your Temu account. Once you're in, look for the settings icon, which is usually a gear symbol, and this should be located either in the top corner of your screen or within a main menu. Go ahead and click on this to open your settings. In these settings, look for a section specifically about payments or linked accounts. This part of the setup is crucial because linking your PayPal account directly to Temu ensures a smooth transfer of funds. Once you find the appropriate section, there should be an option to link to PayPal among other payment methods if it's supported. Follow the prompts, which will likely involve entering your PayPal email address and possibly verifying your identity through some security measures. This is where you need to ensure that you have access to your PayPal account details and any verification methods like a phone or email ready at hand. By taking these steps, you'll securely connect your accounts while maintaining the safety of your financial information. With your PayPal account now linked, you're ready to transfer your funds. This is the exciting part where everything comes together. Back in the Temu app, find the Transfer Funds option. Typically, this will allow you to select where you'd like to send the money. Choose PayPal from the list that appears. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, making sure that it falls within any limit set by Temu or PayPal. As you follow the prompts to confirm the transfer, pay close attention to any details you're asked to verify. Accuracy here ensures that your money reaches its destination without any hitches. Once your transfer is complete, you should receive notifications from both Temu and PayPal confirming the transaction.